Meet the mascot fox from the Carnival factory from Nizhny Novgorod. The animator's eyes are exactly at the level of the mascot's eyes. The view is perfect. The weight of the costume is minimal, and every detail is worked out so that the character looks alive even in close-ups. The set includes soft shoes, gloves, t-shirt, overalls, pants, and even a voluminous vest that creates the right silhouette. The size grid is universal. It is comfortable for an animator up to 185 centimeters tall. Ventilation is located in the eye and mouth area, which ensures a constant flow of air. Before shipping, the suit undergoes a 3-stage quality control of the OTC production time from 14 days. Fox is a universal image that all ages like. The suit is easy to put on, does not constrain movements. Order 1 fox, and if you need more, when ordering from 3 units, individual conditions apply. Shipping throughout Russia and to 160 countries of the world. Do you want to get a selection of similar characters or an individual calculation of the cost for your height and tasks? Leave a request under this video or write to the specified contacts.